Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So this is the third video of our unboxing series video. So anyhow, let's go jump to the next one. And I forgot what's the next one. This is what let's see, let me count this first. 2 4 5 6. So this is the number 12 one. Let's see. This is my number 12. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Making noise. It's not good. Ta-da! Oh, I like this one too. This is the Nudosa, if I'm not mistaken though. Nudosa. I had one last year too. Ooh, it bloomed already. See? So I'm so happy with this one. Thank you so much, Carmela. Ooh, there's another one here. It's going. Hi. I'm sure it's gonna bloom too. So anyway, what's the name? Oh, this I forget the bee. Sorry, I have a memory gap. That's why I keep forgetting things. So this is bee nodosa and is a crossbreed of Lucky and Sweetheart. It's gonna be so beautiful bloom. I got 3 buds. I hope it don't die though. I'm talking about the buds. Because I can grow this one, but because it's kind of like the Cattleya, I can grow nice Cattleya, Vanda, and Dendrobium. Other than that, died. So I'm happy I had this. Oh my gosh, I have finally. You're making me happy again, Carmela. Thank you. I thought I'm gonna be sad with this unboxing. All right, number 13. Oh, it's I can smell my maxillaria. It's really smells so good. That's the coconut smell. It's making me so happy right now. All right, let's see what's this. It's a dendrobium coranda. What's this? Classic. Ooh, cross by itself. 3 petals. Oh, it got 3 petals whenever it bloom. I'm gonna get a bloom very soon because look, it has a spike growing. Can you see it? Yup. So we are gonna have a spike sooner or later. Sooner than later. So I finally got this dendrobium. Yeah, I'm happy with dendrobium. So all right. Number 14. Let's see this one. Number 14. I have a feeling this is a Cattleya. Just a feeling though. We'll see if I'm right. Let's see. Ooh. Come on now. Ta-da! Oh no, it's not a Cattleya. It's another dendrobium. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty one. I like these. I like the dendrobium. Dendrobium Ooh, it sticks there. Tiny eye. Cross with self. So, I got another dendrobium. Thank you, thank you. It's so pretty one. I think this is a, if I'm not mistaken, this is a, come on now. a species one. Closer from being native. That's all. That's what I wanted to tell y'all. But yes, I got another dendrobium. So my number 14 is dendrobium. All right. Let's go to number 16. This one is big one, so I'm just gonna open this. And this is number 17, right? Number 17. Oh gosh. Get number 17. Oh, nice. Another Cattleya. Ooh, it has a spike, no? That's not a spike here. It's just, I don't know. We'll see later. Ooh, but I have plenty growth. I have 3. See this? 4. Ah, 5. I have 5 new growth here. So this one here is the bigger one, and it has a possibility of giving a spike. It doesn't have a spike yet, but it will for sure. So this is the big one, and then the second one, new growth, is this, and this is the third growth here, and this is the fourth, and there's another one here. So I have 5 new growth here. And this is what? Yeah, nodosa, another nodosa. But this is a different variety. This is Garanthe. Binodosa Gorianthe is Cannerise. So I got another one of these one. So that's my 17, right? Yeah, that's my number 17. Let's open my number 18. Is this 18? Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, this is number 16. Anyway, I lost count already. So I told y'all I'm gonna lost count very, very soon. I'm going to save this one because I'm gonna use it for a different project. We need to recycle things, you know, especially these undegradable materials, because it will hurt our ecosystem. So that's why I always try to recycle those ones. Anyway, oh, this is a big Cattleya. Look at this. Woohoo. Oops. It has spike for sure. Oh, nice. Come on now, paper. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. Here, I got 3 buds. And this is such a healthy one. See? Very healthy plant. I hope not to kill it. And this is Bellsy Hawaii Island Bride. Oh, this is color white. I had this. It died for sure. So it's gonna be a big flower, color white flower. So let's move to the next one. All right, we are here now. All right. So anyway, later after the video, I'm going to take another video videoing them, just to, you know, make sure we covered everything. So there are small plants here. I think I have 12 of these, so let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 2 more. Oh, I don't need to. So I have 2 more to open. All right. Because the 12 little babies. Oh, where did I put my knife? The 12 little babies are just the freebies. I have 18 pieces from this order, and a 12 one extras, a little ones. So that's all I'm gonna that's why I have tell you earlier that I have 30 total. What? Ooh, come on now. Oh, I like to get these put back. I like their bark. All right. Woo. Come on now. So it doesn't have. It has a poop, a bird poop. It doesn't have a flower spike yet, but it has this one, a new growth. So this is a, ooh, I forgot to get EPLC, Don Herman Carmela spot. So this is it. I don't know, this is my first one with this one, so I'm not really sure. I'm gonna clean it later for sure. I think it has something growing here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna go through. See that one there? It's supposed to be a flower, I don't know, flower sock. But that's supposed to be where the flowers is coming. So what, we are already 12 minutes. I took time too much, huh? So anyway, this is my number 18, no, number 17, I guess. I don't know, I lost count. So anyway, we are going to jump to our next video of this series video. All right, so thank you so much again, everyone. I'll see you on my next one, and then maybe that's the last of this series. All right, so thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.